Good morning, Mike. How are you today?
Good morning, Sarah. I am doing well, thank you. And you?
I am great. The weather is very nice today.
Yes, it is very sunny. Do you have any plans for the day?
Not really. I need to go to the supermarket. We need some milk, eggs, and bread. What about you?
I have to work until 5 o'clock. After work, I want to go to the gym.
That is good. You are very healthy. Do you want to have dinner together later?
That sounds like a great idea. What time do you want to meet?
Is 7 o'clock okay for you?
7 o'clock is perfect. Where should we go?
There is a new Italian restaurant near the park. Do you like Italian food?
I love Italian food. Their pasta is always delicious. Should I pick you up at your house?
No, it is okay. I can walk there. It is very close to my apartment.
Okay, I will meet you at the restaurant at 7.
Perfect. Oh, wait, I forgot to ask. How is your new job going?
It is going very well. My colleagues are very friendly and the office is beautiful.
I am happy to hear that. Is the work difficult?
A little bit, but I am learning many new things every day. It is very interesting.
That is wonderful. I am happy for you, Mike.
Thank you, Sarah. What about your sister? How is she?
She is fine. She is studying for her final exams this week, so she is very busy.
Tell her I said hello and good luck with her exams.
I will. I should go now. I don't want to be late for the store.
Of course. Have a nice afternoon.
You too. See you tonight.
See you later. Bye.
Goodbye.
Hello. Excuse me, are you Min?
Oh, hi. Yes, I am Min. Is that you, Lan?
Yes, it is me. It is so nice to see you here. How are you today?
I am very well, thank you. And how are you doing?
I am doing great. I am just doing some shopping for my family.
Me too. The supermarket is very busy today, isn't it?
Yes, there are many people here today. Do you come here often?
I come here every weekend. I like this supermarket because the food is fresh.
I agree. I like the vegetables here. They look very green and healthy.
What are you buying today, Lan?
I am buying some apples, oranges, and a big watermelon. My children love fruit.
That is good. Fruit is very healthy. I am looking for some milk and eggs. Do you know where the milk is?
Yes, the milk is in aisle 5, next to the cheese and butter.
Thank you so much. I also need to buy some bread. Do you like the bread here?
Yes, the bakery here is very good. The bread is always warm and soft.
Perfect. I will buy a loaf of bread for breakfast tomorrow.
What do you usually have for breakfast, Min?
I usually have bread with eggs and a cup of coffee. What about you?
I often have noodles or a sandwich. I also drink a glass of orange juice every morning.
Orange juice is very good for your health. Oh, look at these tomatoes. They are very cheap.
You are right. I will take some to make a salad for dinner.
Do you cook dinner every night?
Yes, I love cooking. I usually cook rice, meat, and soup for my family. Do you like cooking?
I like it, but I am not very good at it. I often cook simple things like fried rice or pasta.
That is okay. Simple food is often the best.
By the way, how is your new job? Is it far from your house?
My new job is very good. It is not too far. I go to work by bus every morning.
How long does it take you to get to work?
It takes about 20 minutes. How do you go to work?
I go to work by car. The traffic is sometimes bad, so it takes me 30 minutes.
I see. Working in the city is always busy.
Yes, it is. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to buy some laundry detergent and soap.
Those things are in aisle 10, at the back of the supermarket.
Thanks for your help, Lan. You know this place very well.
Haha, yes. I come here twice a week. I like to walk around and see new things.
It is a good way to relax. Do you have any plans for this evening?
Not much. I will go home, cook dinner, and then watch a movie with my husband. And you?
I will go to the gym for 1 hour, and then I will read a book.
You are very active. That is great.
Thank you. I try to stay healthy.
Oh, the line at the cashier is very long now. We should go and wait.
You are right. Let's go. It was very nice talking to you today, Lan.
It was nice talking to you too, Min. We should meet for coffee sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. Give me a call next week.
I will. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello. Excuse me. Is anyone sitting here?
Oh, hi. No, the seat is free. You can sit here.
Thank you so much. The restaurant is very busy today.
Yes, it is. It is lunchtime, so many people come here to eat.
My name is Mark. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Mark. I am Sarah.
Do you come to this restaurant often, Sarah?
Yes, I come here twice a week. I love the food here. How about you?
This is my first time. What food is good here?
You should try the grilled chicken or the pasta. They are very delicious.
That sounds great. I think I will order the grilled chicken.
Good choice. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live just 2 blocks away. I moved here last month.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Where did you live before?
I lived in a small town in the countryside. It was very quiet.
Do you like the city?
Yes, I do. It is very exciting, but sometimes it is a bit noisy.
I agree. I have lived here for 5 years. I work at the bank across the street.
Oh, really? What is your job there?
I am a teller. I talk to many customers every day. What do you do for a living?
I am a computer programmer. I work from home most of the time.
That sounds like a cool job. Do you like working from home?
Yes, I like it because I don't have to travel to the office. But sometimes I feel a bit lonely.
I understand. That is why you come here to eat lunch, right?
Exactly. I want to see people and enjoy the fresh air.
What do you like to do in your free time, Mark?
I like playing sports. I play football every weekend. Do you like sports?
Not really. I prefer quiet activities. I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I love romantic movies and comedies. They make me feel happy.
I like action movies. They are very fast and interesting.
My brother likes action movies too. He watches them every night.
Do you have a big family?
No, I have a small family. Just my parents, my brother, and me. How about you?
My family is quite big. I have 2 sisters and 1 brother.
That must be very fun during the holidays.
Yes, it is very loud but very happy. We always eat a big dinner together.
Speaking of dinner, do you like cooking?
I am not a good cook. I only know how to make simple things like eggs or sandwiches.
That's okay. I love cooking. I usually cook dinner for my family.
What is your favorite dish to cook?
I like making Italian food, especially pizza and spaghetti.
Wow, that's amazing. Maybe one day you can teach me how to cook.
Sure, it is not very difficult. You just need practice.
How is the weather outside today? I stayed in my room all morning.
It is very beautiful. The sun is shining, and it is not too hot.
That is perfect. I want to go for a walk in the park after lunch.
The park near here is very beautiful. There are many flowers and trees there.
Do you go there often?
Yes, I go there every morning to go jogging. It helps me stay healthy.
I should start exercising too. I sit at my desk for too many hours.
You should. It is good for your back and your eyes.
You are right. By the way, what time is it now?
It is 12:30 p.m. Do you have an appointment?
No, I just wanted to check. I don't want to stay too late.
Don't worry. Enjoy your meal. Here comes the waiter.
Thank you. I will order my food now.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I would like the grilled chicken and a glass of orange juice, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
And I will have a salad and a bottle of water, please. Thank you. Please wait for 15 minutes.
Sarah, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I am going to visit my grandparents in the countryside.
That sounds lovely. How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 2 hours by car. I like driving there because the view is very pretty.
I miss the countryside sometimes. The air is so fresh there.
Yes, it is very different from the city.
I hope you have a great trip.
Thank you, Mark. What about you? What will you do this weekend?
I think I will go to the cinema with some friends. There is a new movie.
Oh, is it the new superhero movie?
Yes, it is. My friends say it is very good.
Have a fun time then.
Thank you. Oh, the food is here. It looks great.
Enjoy your chicken, Mark.
Enjoy your salad, Sarah. This chicken is really good. You were right.
I'm glad you like it. My salad is very fresh too.
Do you like traveling to other countries?
Oh, I love traveling. I went to Japan last year. It was wonderful.
I have never been to Japan. How was the food there?
It was very delicious. I ate a lot of sushi and ramen.
I want to travel to Europe next year. I want to see the Eiffel Tower in France.
France is a beautiful country. You should go there.
But my English is not very good. I am worried about communicating.
Don't worry. Your English is good. You just need to speak more.
Thank you for saying that. I am practicing every day.
That is the best way to learn. I also watch English movies to improve my listening.
That is a good idea. I will try that too.
Well, I have to go back to work now. My lunch break is over.
It was very nice talking to you, Sarah.
It was nice meeting you too, Mark. Thank you for the conversation.
You're welcome. Have a productive afternoon at the bank.
Thank you. Have a nice walk in the park.
I will. See you again sometime.
Goodbye, Mark.
Goodbye, Sarah.